Okay guys, today I will be showing to you what is the major difference in first print and second print made in Japan mini four-wheel drive kits. So what I'll be showing to you now is from the Tamiya Victory Magnum, which is fully called mini four-wheel drive series number 6. Okay, the first and foremost thing that you will notice is definitely the sticker. I'm sorry, the comics inside. The comic strips are similar, but you realize that this is the first print of the first print, the original first print. You look at the side, it has the two brothers, and over this side there's a bit of a tri-dagger and a spin axe. Whereas the second print made in Japan, you have smaller images of the kids like this. So you can see there's actually a major difference in both of it. Look at that. Alright, that's for the cover. That's for the cover. And the second one is definitely the undercover, the lower part of the box, which is this one. This, what you can see here, is the first print made in Japan. It has all the details and even the pricing of the accessories, the hop-up part and stuff like that. Meanwhile, this one, which is also second print but made in Japan, it has a printed slot in like this. Printed warnings on the box. However, if you're talking about the kit by itself, it's more or less similar to all of us collectors, we would know. We can't really tell much on the parts except for the color. And also the chassis by itself, you realize this is a little bit glossy, and this one is a little bit matte. And I don't have the ones that mention this. Usually they will mention something over here that says made in Japan over here. And the sealing of the pack, if it's made in Japan, it has this hot seal packaging, and it comes with a steel with a metal grease packing. And for the ones that is made in Philippines, it would look like this. So you can see a comparison of these two. And also this is stapled pack. See, it's a bit more flimsy because it is stapled pack. So I'll do a side-by-side comparison for you right now. You can see that. This is Japan. This is Philippines. This is Japan. This is Philippines. Yeah, and so what I was mentioning to you about the chassis, and this is also a first print. I'm sorry, this is a second print made in Japan, but somehow it comes in with the original chassis, which is from Japan. And it actually mentioned made in Japan here. If you can see, you see that? Made in Japan. And the next one that you can actually see is it mentioned mini four-wheel drive Liberty Emperor. That one. The rest of it is the same, slightly glossy, semi-gloss. But this is the one that you should be looking for. If your seller is telling you that this is a first print made in Japan, it should come with this, made in Japan. It has a mini four-wheel drive Liberty Emperor. So I hope you guys get some info on this video on to know and to learn on how your mini four-wheel drive kits are actually first print made in Japan, or second print made in Japan, or even third print which is made in Philippines. Thank you and enjoy the videos, guys.